This is beautiful. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Jenny Smile. How you all doing today? Thank you so much for clicking. So guys, in today's video I'm showing you all how to make carrot oil for skin lightening. If you want to have that glowing skin, this is for you. So please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.
K to the E to the K, nah, K. Boss, if you see every time I want to do, tell me in the time when you gotta go. Yeah. She wants water to my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants water. She be money on my place, she looking on my eye order. She wants water. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me, yeah. Now so me say. She wants to wander, one get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. To my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants water. He be money on my place. She look.
So beauties, I added 3 vitamin E for preservation because I really want this oil to last for long.
Now so me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen.
So beauties, here is our oil. It's ready now. So yeah, it's ready for use, and I went ahead to apply it on my skin because I really want to show you guys experiment how this oil is going to suit your skin. And wow, this oil is a must-have, and it's very easy to make. It makes your skin glow, like you will just be glowing for real. I will really love you guys to give it a try.
She got a strong desire, up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
To my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants water. He be money on my place, she looking on my eye order.